He smiles. Thinks it's gonna be all right. But in Italian. A couple hours later, he's standing in line inside the crowded immigration office. Same as JFK now, hours and hours waiting. People in uniform yelling where to go, where not to go, until his turn comes. One officer asks him the questions, and we all know the questions. How many family members traveling with you? Have you ever thought about killing the president? You like it up the asshole. Are you willing to mow our lawns? Neapolitan, he answers with the help of the translator, yes, yes, no, yes, all is going well. Till suddenly, Neapolitan sneezes. Politely, he covers his mouth, only instead of a hand, he reveals a stump. An ugly, fleshy stump half wrapped in a rotten cloth tied together with a shoestring. Immigration officer realizes this motherfucker is missing a hand. Goes up to him and marks a big X on his chest with a piece of chalk. Next thing he knows, he's in a cage full of chalk people with big chalk X's. The rejects. Neapolitan, he begs the officers to let him stay. He's a good worker. He can work with one hand twice as hard, 3 times as hard. He yells, he cries, and nobody answers. And that's where it happens. Among the rejects. Neapolitan, he looks around and all he sees is strange forms of people like he's never seen before. Small, red-skinned men with dots inside their foreheads. Big black shirtless men with tattooed faces, and supernatural fear grabs him by the throat, and he's among the rejects. Neapolitan, he looks around and all he sees is strange forms of people like he's never seen before. Small, red-skinned men with dots inside their foreheads. Big black shirtless men with tattooed faces, and supernatural fear grabs him by the throat, and he's sure he's about to die. And he hears a ringing inside of his ears, and his eardrums explode inside his skull. Everything turns white. He forgets his name, why he's here, or what being and here even mean. He drags himself over to the window and he looks out at big clouds just hanging over the island. Waves just crashing against the rocks. And he prays. He prays hard. But his God does not answer. And then a green ray of light splits the sky in two, makes its way all the way down to the window where the Neapolitan is standing. An alien light. For like 10 seconds, everyone sees him bathed in this beautiful green ray of light. It's overwhelming. And then the clouds cover over it. It's gone. But so is the Neapolitan. He's not there. He vanished like Houdini. Nowhere to be found. Later, the Neapolitan is seen making pizza in a joint in Bensonhurst, where he lived for the rest of his days. Nobody ever knew how he got there, and well, Neapolitan, he never wanted to talk about it. About the alien ray that crossed him over to the other side. And he was never the same again. He carried with him till the day he died. A sadness, like a scar. But time to time, he glowed.